how much money do you need to start? Alright, before we get into the video, if you guys are enjoying the content, be sure to subscribe, like, all that good stuff. Follow me on Instagram. But the biggest question I get is how much money do you need to start Shopify dropshipping? Honestly, guys, $300 to $400 is what you need, right? And I'm not going to include the base price of the apps and stuff like that, because that's monthly, and they also, like, most of the apps give you a free trial, and the Shopify itself gives you a free trial, 2 weeks, right? But you want to have everything in order, right? Because what you could do is have 8 Instagram influencers set up: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, right? 8 days, $30 usually an ad, and you want to do 1 ad a day, right? Because what that means is that if you do 1 ad a day, say you do 2, and you get sales, pretty good sales on both of them. Which one had more sales, right? Let's say this one had 2 and this one had 12, right? So when you're like, oh snap, I got 14 sales today, right? Which one gave you the most? You're not gonna know. You're gonna know that they came from Instagram, but you're not gonna know which influencer they came from, right? And earlier I said everything, and what I mean by everything is you want to have your ads, which like your ad copies, your pictures, like the different pictures, like different sizes if it's like an Instagram story post or a regular post, right? You also want to have your link ready, right, to say the product name, not just this random mumbo jumbo, right? But you also want to have your logo, your product description, your apps, pictures, website name of the product, and again, apps usually give you a free trial as well. Another thing, which is really important, is that you want to have all this ready by like 2 days before you start your free trial, right? Like it might take you 2-3 weeks, heck, even a month, 2 months to get everything ready to variety, to find the product you really want to promote, that you see that product's having like crazy progress, right? Like it's making like 2,000-3,000 sales in 1 month in AliExpress, right? It's really good, right? But the thing is, you want to have all that ready 2 days before you start your first Instagram influencer. So if you're signing on Friday, you want to have everything ready. Thursday, start your free trial Thursday morning, and then recheck it, and then put everything in place, right? And then look at Thursday night, and then make sure you have everything in place. And that's the best way you could do it. Have everything ready right before you start your free trial. You want to get all the apps. You want to make a list of everything you need, right? Everything you can possibly imagine. If you guys have any questions of what you might need, what's a good idea, or if you guys have a suggestion, let me know, guys. Let me know in the comments down below. But again, if you guys are enjoying the content, make sure to subscribe. I like to keep this one nice, short, and simple because it's straight to the point. You guys go to my channel for any things that I listed down below. You can look in my videos. Yeah, I feel like crap today, man. I threw up. I don't know, man. Video. Peanut butter and crap. Stay tuned for tomorrow.